how to configure your sites in the scenario. If you have one or two or three sites, or maybe four or five, it can depend on what you want the scenario to portray. But you do it up here in the where it says blue on this one, and if you take the drop down list, you can see there's at default a blue and red side, but you can press configure. Now I want to set up a second blue side, so to speak. So I press add party and then mark it, and then I give it a name. It could be green, for instance. I have a party color green. Then I apply, and then I want to say, okay, blue and green are partners. So I press this one, and they are allied. And red is and green are enemy. And green and red are enemy. And blue and red are allied. So that's it. And once I'm finished, that's it. So if I want to give it another name, it could for instance be US Army, or whatever text you want to give it. Just write it up here, and you can pick other colors, like for instance dark blue, and then press apply, and then press OK. And now you can see I have light blue and I have all the other stuff, so I can basically toggle around here. And now I'm on each side have their own map with their own graphics on it. So if I go to US Army, I can go in here and go back to blue, and for instance right click this one and copy to all of the parties. So the deployment zone are all the parties that I want. Of course it shouldn't be on the red here, so we delete it here, but we go to the blue sites and go to US Army and deploy some new units. And it could be an IFV, for instance. It could be a M2A2 and 4 vehicles, and okay. And that's how you configure zones and where you do it, or configure countries or sites in the conflict in the scenario. Okay. The last thing I want to show you is how to stop people from messing with your scenario if you don't want that. I think it's bad practice, but they have a right to do it if they want. So you go to File, and then you put password on, and then you can lock all three sides, for instance blue, and then you put some password in, and if you don't have the password you can't go in and change anything or see anything from that side. So that's how you more or less copyright your scenarios, and that's about it about sites in the scenario.